Good day, everyone. I'm Nizel A. Rafalas, a BA third year student at Negros Oriental State University, Shaton campus. Today, I'm going to discuss about the techniques of viewing and advertisement analysis. So this topic means learning how to look at pictures, videos, ads carefully and understand their hidden messages. So let's find out what is viewing. So viewing means looking at pictures, videos, ads, not just with our eyes, but with our mind. We don't just see them, we just understand them. So let's proceed to the techniques of viewing. First, we have the observation of visual elements. These look the colors, the composition, shadows, background, etc. For example, in a toothpaste ad, the background is bright white to suggest blendiness. So let's have a symbol on iconography. These look the objects, gestures of cultural symbols used. For example, a dove in a poster usually means peace. So it have a text message relations. So this means how the words match with the picture. For example, image relations. This how the words match the pictures. For example, if a poster says stay fresh all day with an image of a deodorant, the text and the image work together. So let's have the other techniques. The audience and the perspective. This the who ad is for and who is left out. So, for example, the toy ad is aimed at children, not adults. So, let's have the emotional appeals. The ad makes you feel something joy, envy, nostalgia, and desire. For example, a travel shows that let's have the audience and perspective. Who the ad is for and who is left out. For example, a toy is aimed at the children, not to adults. And another is emotional appeals. This ad makes you feel something envy, joy, and desire. For example, a travel ad shows happy feelings to the family to the beach to make you want the same experience. So let's proceed to other slides. So let's have the advertisement analysis. What is advertisement analysis? So this advertisement analysis studying ads carefully to understand their techniques, target audience, and hidden messages. It helps students become wise viewers who are not easily fooled. So let's have the aspects of advertisement analysis, purpose and precision. So what does the ad want you to do? For example, a fast food ad wants you to buy a burger by showing it a big and delicious. We have another one, target audience. So this is a who is the ad talking to. For example, a toy car commercial is aimed at a young boys. So let's have another one. Message and subject. The hidden message behind the ad. For example, a whitening lotion ad may suggest that white skin beauty. Another is the visual textual elements. How pictures, words, and sounds are arranged. For example, in a perfume ad, soft music plus flowers plus elegant font equals luxury. And the societal impact, how the ad affects society, values, and behavior. For example, too many beauty ads many make people feel insecure about their natural looks. Let's have another group discussion. So these are the students work in group to analyze ad together. For example, teacher shows a Coca-Cola ad and group discussions what emotions does it create. So that is the group discussion. And the guided questions is teacher asks questions to help students think deeper. For example, what product is being advertised? What values being promoted? So that is an example. So let's have a media literacy tools. So media literacy tools, learning the language of ads. For example, knowing that red is excitement and gold is luxury. So we have the creating advertisement. So students make their own ads to practice. For example of creating advertisement is that children have a group project, making a poster selling a healthy snack. And another is connecting to a real world experiences. So this liking adds to students' lives. For example, discussing how TikTok ads affect what teens buy. So those are another activities strategies. So let's have develops critical thinking. Students don't believe everything they see. For example, a students realize that burger in the ads looks bigger than in real life. And also it enhances media literacy. Students learn to understand media messages. For example, recognizing that the cell phone ad shows luxury, not just the phone. Yes, it's not just the phone but the luxury itself. So let's have another benefits. Improve language skills. So add use catchy slogans. Students can learn persuasive words. For example, just do it. Nike slogan. Teaches powerful and short phrasing. It promotes informed consumption. Students become wise buyers. Another is promote informed consumption. This is what I said earlier. So advertisement analysis. So in short, this lesson students to look deeper at ads, see the hidden messages, and become more smart viewers and consumers. So that